welcome to Paranormal Reviews. Today is the first video I've ever put up on the new channel, so I'm going to start off with a portable silicone flexible keyboard. I'll be honest with you, I didn't get this from Poundland. Got it from Homebargains. It was $4.99. Let's see. First of all, let's take a look at this. Let's see. You can read this. The idea portable keyboard, lightweight, flexible and slim. Windows compatible, waterproof, sealed silicone casing, dirt and dust proof, easy to clean. You'll see about that. So, let's see. We've got our USB. And the keyboard. So this looks decent enough. Keys are a bit small. Seems very bad light in here. I have to use a torch to show you everything. It looks alright. What's over here on this side of it? So, anything imprinted on it? No trademark information. Nothing. Oh, hello. What is this? Oh wow. So, if you shine a light underneath it, you can actually see the wires. That's different. Cool. Yeah, so I've got my computer on over here, so I'll go and test it. Ow, pain. So I'm going to stick it over there. Hopefully this works. Bit difficult doing it one-handed. There we go. Does it work? Aha! There's a light when I press caps lock. So I've got the torch. It's going to be fun. Alright, so let's just open up Photoshop. You didn't see that. Okay, never saw that. No. So, text. So, here we go. The hell? If you move it down, here we go. O. My. Oh, Jesus. My name is Mark. There we go. So, it's good if you want a flexible keyboard for some reason. Yeah, so you've got your little button there for caps locks. Press that and then it comes on. Now it's also, see here on my keyboard built into it, if I press caps lock here, it also lights it up there. That's nice. So does that mean if I... Oh, it doesn't have a number lock. Well, so that's nice. I can do like a little disco. So that's been first review. I know it wasn't from Poundland, but you know, sometimes we have to harden up and get something a little bit more expensive. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out.